how to delete Spotify account permanently. So if you want to delete your Spotify account permanently, then you don't have that option on your application. So what you have to do is you have to open up your Chrome browser or any browser that you're comfortable with, and then you can simply search for Spotify, delete account, and after searching for that, here on the first you will have support.spotify.com, and under that you will have closing your account and deleting your data. You can simply tap on that, and here you will have close your account and delete your data here, right? So you can simply tap on that line or that thing. So after tapping on that, it will take you to this kind of page. So here it says that after you close your account, they'll send you an email with a link in which you can use to reactivate it within 7 days. But after deactivating or after deleting, if you didn't log in within the 7 days, then your account will be permanently deleted. So if you want to delete your account, then you can simply tap on close my account and delete my data. Here you need to choose close my account, and now you can again tap on close my account and delete my data. And here it says that they'll send you an email to confirm your account closure. So if you have the email, if you have the access to your email, then simply tap on yes. So it is asking if you want to continue. So simply tap on close my account or delete my account. So now they've sent an email to the email address that you have used to open your account. So you can simply open up that mail, and after opening, here you will have close my account. So simply tap on close my account. That's how you close your Spotify account, or that's how you delete your Spotify account. And now you should not log into your account within the 7 days. And after that, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.